Hello friends and teachers. Today I have made a bird feeder. I wanted to make a bird feeder because you all know it is summer. In summer, the birds are dying of hunger and no one is coming out of their houses to feed birds. So I got a solution about it. That why don't we make bird feeders and hang it outside our window using recyclable things like plastic bottles, milk carton, many other things like that. So you can also make it at your home. It's very simple. Yeah, so I cut it from this side and I made two holes here and I put a pencil in and then I put bird seeds in this. For this I made the triangle holes you can see at these two sides and I put two sticks in it. So the birds can eat from the sides. And then I put some seeds.
Rehan, I like the idea of you.
Why don't you also make it and hang it outside your windows? And save lives of the birds. And show some love.
Bye.